Hello, for Uber?
Hi, yes.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, welcome on in.
Thank you.
Where are you flying in from?
Man, Ohio.
Oh, you came from Ohio. Were you
Yeah.
visiting there or are you visiting here?
No, I just came back actually.
Oh.
Yeah, for good. I'm staying here.
Oh, nice. You just
Yeah.
moved here.
Yeah.
Welcome to Los Angeles.
Thank you.
Yeah. How do you like it so far? I mean, you just got
man.
here, I guess.
Yeah, I just got here. Still haven't got the full tour yet, but
Oh, well.
looking forward to it.
There's so many cool places you can see.
Do you know some?
Yeah, I know all the best places.
Really?
I grew up here. Come on.
Well, you gotta show me sometime.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
You want me to show you? Like, I mean, you're not saying like, sorry, did I hear that wrong? Like,
No. Like, yeah, you could like show me around like your favorite like food spots, movies or something.
I mean, do you like the beach?
I love the beach.
I mean, we could go to the beach.
I'm down.
You like
I'm
the
there.
beach? Okay. I mean, I don't know. Maybe if you want, we could like get food and go watch the sunset or something.
Yeah, let's go.
Are you serious?
I'm so down. What kind
This
of
is like
food
my
do you
dream.
like?
I mean, well, I'm just an Uber driver, so I can't. I honestly right now I can only afford McDonald's.
You know, it's funny. I've always wanted to try McDonald's. I've never had it.
You've never had McDonald's?
I've never had it.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, in Ohio, the McDonald's over there are like all like corrupt, like out of business. Like,
Oh, we have a lot of McDonald's here.
yeah, I'd be so down to go with you.
Do you like chicken nuggets?
Oh my gosh, I love chicken, so
You like side of ranch?
I love ranch.
Barbecue sauce?
All the sauces, bring it to me.
All right. Are you busy right now?
No, actually.
So if you want, I could just cancel the ride and we can go to McDonald's and then go to the beach.
You do that?
I gotta stop by my house real quick because I don't have my bathing suit.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
You don't mind if I stop at my house?
No, let's go. Show me inside.
You want me to show you inside?
Yeah, give me a little tour of your house.
I mean, I live with my mom.
Okay, I'll say hi to her too. We could bring her home McDonald's.
You're like my dream girl.
Really? Well,
Really?
you're like my dream guy.
You don't care that I'm just an Uber driver and I only make $4 an hour?
I mean, not really. I mean, you seem really nice and you're handsome, so. And you're offering to take me to McDonald's, so.
You know, I should have known not to date in LA because you're not like an LA girl. I honestly hope LA doesn't corrupt you.
I mean, I don't think so.
Dang, I need to go to Ohio more often.
Yeah?
Well, we'll start with you.
Yeah, right?
All right, sorry, I'm getting a little ahead of myself.
Is this your house?
This is my house.
It's nice.
Oh, my mom's outside. She's gardening.
Oh, she's so cute.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's go.
What's her name?
Philippe.
Philippe.